come experience the beauty of nature with me. I visited this lake some time back and I thought to share it with you. It's actually an amazing sight to behold. Really, really nice. Of course, I came. I visited it when summer was already over, so it didn't have a lot of people. I didn't meet a lot of people here, so yeah, but it was still really cool. Although it was very cold when I came, but it was really cool. So I can imagine how nice it's going to be during summer. Oh my goodness, it's going to be fun. Yeah, that's me. Climbing up the mountain. It's really a beautiful sight. It has trees, mountains, and this amazing lake. And the thing about Sweden is that Sweden has very beautiful natural sights to behold, like some mountainous stuff, amazing forest, water bodies. Like it was just amazing. So I climbed like to a particular point and I was just viewing the scene, like, oh my goodness, so beautiful. My god, oh my god, it's so beautiful. Yeah. Hi guys. I'm out here at the lake and yeah, I'm here, and there's also this mountainous side of the lake, so I'm actually very, very high up, and there's this nice comfortable seat I'm sitting on, like those seats that you find at the beach. So yeah, so this is me, this is the environment. I'm gonna flip the camera so that you see it properly. It's really a beautiful sight to behold. As you can see, it's really beautiful. Like I climbed all the way to this place, so you can see that. Oh my god,